Good morning, everyone, and a very warm welcome to Just for Hearts, your online partner. My name is Preeti Salvi. I'm a communications manager at Just for Hearts and host for this series, Words of Wisdom, a series dedicated to enhance your skills in video making and YouTube making. In last few sessions, from last two sessions, we are learning what needs to be done when we are behind the camera. We learned about concept creation, we learned about script writing. Then there was a session on video making skills, and we have also seen many demonstrations also, which people are doing right now. I hope you're liking the series and you have started making your own videos, posting online, and I'm sure your fan following is also increasing. Now we have come to a stage where we will learn what needs to be done when you're in front of the camera. So how to speak, how to look good, and how to make yourself presentable in front of the camera. So to begin with, we have come up with a voice training session today, and for that, Mrs. Preeti Khan is with us. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, everyone, Preeti ma'am is a very experienced voice trainer and voiceover artist. She has done hundreds of voiceovers in different languages, from Marathi, Hindi, English, Urdu, and other regional languages. She has a rich experience in multimedia production. She is an trained actor. She has also taken classical singing training. That's right, ma'am. And
I do not I do not tell it so openly because then people make you sing, and I don't want to sing really because I'm not so good in sur and tal.
no, no,
But
but just to
I went into
understand
singing.
how your voice works, you have actually gone through the training. It's very commendable. I really appreciate that. That shows how much knowledge you have and how much passion you have when it comes to voice trainings. And I'm sure you have given training to hundreds of students and professionals from industry. So
Yeah.
we are very excited to learn from you. And audience, today's session is going to be very interesting because ma'am is going to take some exercises which you can also do along with us, and it's really going to help you in the long run. So Preeti ma'am, again, welcome to the show, and thank you so much for taking out time and coming on Just for Hearts page and giving your sharing your knowledge with us. So I request you to please start the session.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so I got to know that you people are into video making, and one important essential ingredient in your video is your voice. Like in the past when I've seen some recipes or some some particular videos, and the captions that I put off the voice, I put it on mute, and I then read the captions and pick up the information that I wanted. Now that's very sad. The person who makes the video is not really being able to, like, not really showing up. Okay, so voice is one thing which is what goes out of you as you to others. So your voice is not for really for yourself; it's for others to hear. And if you do not work on your voice, you are not received well. So what I would, well, according to me, I think everybody should work on their voice, be it a teacher, be it a mother, be it a housewife, or a professional in the market, or a voice artist, or an actor, or whoever. If you do not work on this God gift that you have, you are just you're taking it for granted, and do not take it for granted. Make it work the way you want it to. Have full control on it, and you can have control on it, and you can use it the way you want it. Sound nice and be received nicely. So today I would like to, rather going blah blah into some theoretical things, I thought that maybe it will be more useful for everybody who is listening to this live to actually do certain things, and after which test for yourself. Do you benefit from it? What are the changes that it has done in your voice? Okay, so I recommend that you keep a bottle of water and a little bit of a text or a textbook or a newspaper, something just handy so that you can just read it along. And I'll request Just for Hearts to give me the people to use as guinea pigs for this exercise. Can we have
Yes,
somebody?
yes, ma'am. So we have two volunteers with us today,
Wow.
Saili Mai and
Ah, nice.
Yogita
Thank
Kadam.
you.
Welcome,
Nice.
girls. So we want you to do some demonstrations. Ma'am is going to give us some exercises. So
Yes.
So
yes.
you ready? Are
Yes.
you
Yes,
ready? Yes.
yes.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming up. That's nice. Okay. So, first of all, right now, just benchmark how your voice is. So, can you just have something to read? Just 2 lines. Okay.
Okay.
And I would recommend that Preeti, the other Preeti, not me, just listen and benchmark those voices in you. Okay. Whatever they are
Okay,
doing.
so benchmarking how it should be done.
Benchmark
I
in the
mean,
sense, I'll tell you, like, how it's sounding. So before anything else starts, let me tell you, you have to be a good listener.
इधर उधर मेरी मीटिंग चल रही
Yeah, so you have to be a good listener to be a good speaker.
yes.
Okay, like for example, I'll just say this: if a mother doesn't talk to the newborn, the baby, okay, the baby doesn't start talking, and the doctor says आप उससे बात नहीं करती इसलिए वो बात नहीं कर रहा है, आप उससे ज्यादा बोलिए, बेबी के साथ ज्यादा बातें कीजिए, तो वो भी बोलने लगेगा. तो इसका मतलब क्या है, गॉड ने हमको जो बनाया, पहले हमको लिसनर बनाया, फिर बाद में बात करने को लेकिन स्पीकर बनाया.
Absolutely.
So today you be the listener and please listen into what they are saying and just receive whatever, wherever you can put them on a score of on a scale of 5, put them at 2, 1, 3, whatever, however you want to put them on. Okay, so put them on a scale, and then we'll do at the end of the day, at the end of the session rather, you see whether the graph went up or no. Okay,
Sure, sure, sure.
let's start. So can we have both of you to read only two lines, please? Yes. Yeah. Saili, can you start?
Yogita,
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'll start. Okay,
Okay.
I'll read the line. So, choose easy and digestible foods which are simple in your digestion, and also taste like the taste buds on your tongue. Let them be active. Every effort should be made to make food palatable without excessive use of spices, which may act as
Okay.
irritants.
That's it. Thank you. Yeah. So you have listened. Okay. I have also listened, Preeti. So just store that in your memory. Right.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Saili.
a lesson can be learned from animals, especially those who live in the world, in the wild, who live and admit the nature, rhythm of the nature, a life, a harmony with their bodies.
All right. Okay. Great. Now, so अब ये आपने, this is what you are at the end at the start of the day. Now forget this for the time being. Put your text down. Now we are going to get on the journey. Let's say you are going to make a video. तो ये आपका स्क्रिप्ट था. तो अभी आपको मैं रेडी करूंगी टू मेक योर वॉइस रेडी फॉर दिस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सबसे पहले आप लाएंगे एक बॉटल ऑफ वाटर. जस्ट कीप अ बॉटल ऑफ वाटर रेडी. So I'm going to tell you the importance of what water is going to play in your voice. Right? So do we have bottle of water?
Yes.
Water? Yes. So cheers. Okay. अभी पीना हम लोग thirst के लिए नहीं पी रहे. Okay. If you're thirsty, you do drink water, right? And you gulp water. So now I'm going to teach you to drink water the right way so that your vocal cords are nicely moisturized. Okay. अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ, अगर मेरे हाथ ऐसे ऐसे किए, आपको आवाज आ रही है? ड्राइनेस की आवाज आ रही है? Do you hear a dryness in the rubbing of my palms? Now, if I wet my hands, will the noise happen?
No.
If I make no, it means what? Moisture will stop the friction. So the same thing is true here. Your vocal cords are vibrating. If you have moisture, the friction will be less. So we're going to drink water for the vocal cords. अब आप डुब पानी ऐसे नहीं पिएंगे. So when you're taking water, ensure that you wet your lips. Then hold the water in your mouth for a fraction of a second. Just swirl it if you want to, or just hold it, and then just tip your chin a little up, not high up in the ceiling, just a little up, and let the water trickle down. Do not gulp it. Let it go very slowly down. So it goes moisturizing your vocal cords down nicely. Shall we do that? Okay, I'll do it
Yes.
once. I'll do it and show you. I would recommend that you do this sipping of water every hour or at least for once in an hour, and repeat the sip immediately twice. So I'll just do it and show. And let it go inside. And repeat it one more sip. Yes, can we do? How did you find, Siley? I think you let your chin a little back, and what happens is it's like, you know, how the water flushes down. It flushes down onto your vocal cords. You may cough if you do that. Okay, if the water just goes down on the vocal cords, it hurts also. Sometimes you cough when you drink water also. Do you know that? Why?
Yes.
Because you let the water go with a pressure onto the vocal cords. So that's why I said let it trickle down. Do not gulp it. Let it go very slowly. Okay, and don't take a huge sip. Take a small sip. Don't take a very the water will come down. So do not take a big sip. Okay, take a fairly small sip and repeat it one more time. And I'll repeat. Does it feel nice? How does it feel here?
Uh, I just wanted to say that I can feel the difference when we drink the water this way.
Yes,
It goes on through the whole area,
exactly.
and when we are just a bit above this, so it is actually going through the throat. So I can feel that difference.
Exactly. So
Yes.
what happens is nice and moisturized. So you're now, and this is the way you keep doing the entire day, every 1 hour or half an hour, well, however your thirst is. So this is
Okay.
not for drinking for thirst. This is drinking for the vocal cords. And please ensure that you keep sipping water this way in the entire day. We do
Okay.
not want our vocal cords to get dehydrated. Okay, so that's the first very important step. Now, second, will come to breathing. Now, why do you think breath is important for the voice? Any particular reason?
As we inhale or exhale, or when we are reading or when we are speaking, we have control on our breath also. So
Hmm.
it is very important, I think. So when we do speak or when we do read
Okay.
things, breath means breath. The breath is needed properly to do it properly.
Okay. And Yogita, you agree with this?
A bit, but I also feel that, like, sometimes if we walk fast or if we are climbing up and at the same time if we are talking, so we get more breathless due to that. And in that condition, also the breathing process should be proper whenever we are talking, because if we are breathing high and if we are talking, so maybe the person in front of us may not understand the words clearly, whatever we are speaking.
Okay. So, okay, fine. Now, I'll before clarifying anything further, I'll ask you one question. Do we speak when we inhale or do we speak when we exhale? Think about it and answer.
I guess when we
Inhale.
inhale.
Try it. इनहेल करो और बात भी करो साथ में कैसे होता है देखिए
When we inhale, we start to talk,
So,
but when we are talking, actually
yes,
we are exhaling out.
yes.
so let me correct you we inhale a breath and that breath helps us to talk
Talk.
on it okay exhalation we talk on exhalation okay so if these are your vocal cords which are vibrating okay and there is no air passing there will be no sound produced if you are not breathing the air is not passing through it there will be no sound produced like any instrument musical instrument works if without there is no air it will not create music the same way your vocal box will not create the sound if there is no breath inside so your breath is the fuel to your voice okay and when you take it in your that's a inhalation and as you exhale on that exhale you start talking so ये जो बीच के pauses लेते हैं आप बात करते वक्त is when you breathe in
Okay.
you must have heard something that ऐसी आवाज आती है बीच बीच में so that is they pick up air that's called a catch breath they take breath and then they talk on it okay so ये understand कीजिए आप जब breathe करते हो आप उस पे बात नहीं करते it sounds terrible try talking it could sound as if you're dying breathe and talk, it will sound as if it's your last time. Okay, तो हम exhalation पे बात करते हैं. So how do, okay, now to sound, so this is understood that the longer the breath on exhalation time, the longer you can talk,
Yes.
the more stronger your voice will be. So we have to prolong this exhalation. ठीक है, जितना लंबा आप इसको एक्सहेल कर पाओगे, तो ऑब्वियसली आपके पास क्वांटिटी ऑफ एयर भी ज्यादा होनी चाहिए. तो यू शुड टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ, राइट. पर डीप ब्रेथ मतलब ऐसे नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, तो हम पहले अपना ब्रीदिंग करेक्ट करते हैं. सो पुट वन हैंड ऑन योर चेस्ट, वन हैंड ऑन योर स्टमक क्विकली, and just notice which hand is moving. Do not breathe purposefully, just check which hand is moving when you breathe. Come on, quickly. Which hand is moving?
Stomach, the lower hand was moving.
Okay, yeah.
Inhaling.
And Yogita, आपका chest वाला हाथ है ना, तो ठीक है. So Yogita, Saili, you are breathing correctly. You're breathing from the diaphragm. When you breathe from the diaphragm, then your stomach is the organ that will reflect that you're breathing from there. So वो बाहर आएगा अंदर जाएगा, बाहर आएगा अंदर जाएगा. But when your chest is heaving, means you are breathing shallow. आप बहुत shallow breathing कर रहे हैं, आप diaphragm तक पहुंच नहीं रहे, इसलिए आपका सिर्फ chest heave होता है. So that is not right. We will correct it. Okay. तो अभी correct कैसे करें? तो stomach पे एक हाथ रखना and imagine that you're blowing a balloon. उसमें हवा भरते हैं ना? नहीं, don't do it. Listen, listen, listen. So when I blow a balloon, it will bloat. Okay. तो मेरा जो stomach है is a balloon. So let it bloat. So when you're breathing in, your stomach should go out, out. So breathe in, stomach out. Breathe out, stomach in. Understand this. Okay, inwards. Breathe in, stomach out. And you exhale, stomach should breathe. So when your stomach starts to suck, 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 suck in, it's when you're exhaling. And it's when you're talking also. आई बात समझ में? तो आप एक full put your hand on the stomach and breathe. Okay. अच्छा, अब आप breathing के बारे में ना सोचिए, stomach को out or in, out or in, out or इधर ही. Do not think about breathing. The moment you think about breathing, it becomes a forced thing. So सिर्फ attention कीजिए muscle of the stomach. Going nicely out and in without any stress. Nicely. Now try and relate the breath with it. आपका breath is happening. जैसे stomach out हो रहा है, तब आप अंदर खींचते हैं हवा को, और फिर जब आप exhale करने लगते हैं, तो stomach बाहर आने लगता है. It's like this. Is it happening that way? Happening? Yes or no? हो रहा है? शांति से कीजिए. No problem. Okay. अभी continue doing this. Now we will go to one level further. We will make a deep breath. अभी ये छोटा सा ही breath है. आप enough ले नहीं रहे. We will concentrate on making it deeper. तो भी आप क्या करिए? Imagine that you're breathing from 5 feet away. तो आप जो ऑक्सीजन पुल कर रहे हैं अपने नोज से, is 5 feet away from you. Now breathe in 10 feet away from you. ज़्यादा हिलना चाहिए. Now exhale. It's only the stomach going out. When I say breathe in, आपका stomach बाहर आना चाहिए. Now breathe 15 feet away from you. वहां से air pull कीजिए. Exhale. Hold. Now breathe 20 feet away. Go on. Go farther and farther and slowly, slowly, slowly. Go to the end of the universe. Say such a nice deep breath. You're pulling air from far away. Do you feel your heart rate become nice and feeling relaxed? So this is also a relaxation thing. You can do it for relaxation also. And especially when you're making video or you're going live or whatever you're doing or standing in front of people, your heart rate starts increasing, do the breathing exercise. Okay? So this is very, very important. And I'll also teach you something called 478 technique. So in 478 technique, what you do is you keep breathing for the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You keep pulling in. Then you hold it for a count of 7. So you do not exhale, do not inhale, just hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, hold it. Now start exhalation slowly till it lasts for 8 counts. Exhale on the count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? तो ये अभी आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, ये आगे कीजिएगा. We'll move on right from this point. So 478 technique is just breathing for 4 counts, holding it, not exhaling, not inhaling for 7 counts, and then slowly exhaling
Hello.
for 8 counts.
Ma'am,
Yes?
sorry to interrupt you. There is some
Yes.
voice, your voice is breaking actually. Some network issue. Can
Is
you
it?
hear? Siley, can you hear ma'am's voice, or is there any problem at my end?
There was some
Some
cracking.
cracking a voice.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Tracking. Okay. Uh, I can just check for the internet. Okay. I can just.
Now it is
Now
okay,
it's
I
clear.
guess. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, was I clear?
Sorry.
Was
Yes,
it
yes,
understood?
yes.
You
Just
can
the
just
Yes,
last
yes.
loud.
part, if you can
Yeah,
repeat,
yeah.
ma'am. Yeah.
What I just said is practice 4-7-8 technique. So you breathe in for the count of 4. You hold your breath in you for the count of 7, and then you start exhaling slowly for the count of 8. Okay. Okay. So this is about breathing. Now, this is very clear that we breathe, we start speaking on exhalation. तो अगर आप अपने स्टमक पे हाथ रखो और फिर पूरा आउट होता है, you have taken a breath, and then when it starts to move in is when you start talking. So it's like it's pushing in, your voice is coming out. It's pushing in, projecting your voice out. Okay, so that's what we're going to project your voice out. So the stronger the breath you have, the powerful the voice is going to be. The powerful the quality of your breath, if it's good, the quality of your voice is going to be good. Okay, so breathing is very, 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 very important. 50% of your problems get solved if your breathing is correct and if you're keeping your vocal cords moisturized. Okay, now we'll go to something called posture. So if you are slacking, your voice is not going to come out nice. Okay, why we want the cavities? There are cavities which are, from where the channel through the air where it's passing goes till the lungs and comes out. So that channel, if it is aligned properly, up one upon the other, you're going to get maximum breath for your voice. So let us correct our posture. Now, if I ask you both to go in good posture, let me see what will you do. Go in good posture. Okay. Now tell me, how long can you hold this good posture? Can you talk on this for the whole day? No. What is happening?
It will hurt our back.
Will hurt. It hurts the
If you
back or the lower part.
Yes. So people just tighten up their body when they go in good posture. They tighten up their body. The lower back starts hurting. You thrust your chest up, so it starts hurting. You cannot hold it for a very long time. But we are saying that your posture should be good when you're talking. So if you have to talk the whole day, can you hold your body tight like this the whole day?
No.
No. So let us simplify this posture so that it is more contributive to your speech. Okay. तो मैंने यहाँ पे एक ट्रिक जुगाड़ कुछ भी बोलिए तो ये बनाया है. So actually when in my long term with those people I take a longer session for this, but this is a quicker session, so I'll make it quickie only. So I call that exercise stature. Now here for you all I've called it ceiling pona. Okay, the name is ceiling pona. So it's like some बुजुर्ग आते हैं घर में तो हम पैर छूते हैं बोलते हैं पैरी पोना, तो आज हम posture के लिए करेंगे सीलिंग पोना. तो क्या करेंगे आप, करो मत, पहले सुनिए. तो आप अपना हाथ यहाँ से आगे, हाँ आपके फ्रंट से आगे सीलिंग को छुएंगे, जैसे कि आप पैर छूते ना, तो सीलिंग को छुएंगे, सीलिंग पोना एंड कम डाउन. दैट्स इट, यू डू ओनली दैट मच. ठीक है, तो आप ये सामने से टच करेंगे सीलिंग को, जैसे एज इफ यू हैड स्ट्रेच्ड अप एंड टच द सीलिंग. यू लुक अप देयर and then leave it down and then look straight in the front. So your spine got nicely aligned, which is check what happens. Okay, समझ गए आप दोनों? अच्छा, हाथ यहाँ से कहीं से नहीं जाएगा, वो सामने से जाएगा. ओके, फ्रॉम द फ्रंट ऑफ योर फेस. डू, करो सीलिंग पोना करो. टच इट साइली, स्ट्रेच इट अप एज इफ वो टंग घंटा बजा के आ जाइए. यस, ग्रेट. एंड देन डोंट ब्रिंग योर बॉडी डाउन. Okay, when you do that, you don't come down the whole thing. You stretch it and only the hand comes down. Your body is there only. And only your neck straightens. Okay, is it tight, Saili? Are you tight in your back?
No.
Yogita, is it nice and good? You
Yes.
feel good? Okay, the posture is nice. Okay, so when you're making your videos, do this. It will help you to look also better on the camera and also give more power to your voice. Okay?
A quick exercise that we can sit comfortably
Yes.
and correctly.
And notice, is it hurting in the lower back or is it a
No,
tightness?
no.
Do you find looseness in the nice and relaxed,
No.
right? Body is nice and
Yes.
moving.
Yes, and actually it feels a bit lighter also, because
Yes.
when we tighten up our body, it feels that it's a bit hard and it's a bit
Deep.
like yeah, stiff. but now it doesn't feel.
Exactly. That's please do not forget this. So whenever you're opening your mouth, you should be going in this.
Yes.
Okay.
Right. अब हम करेंगे कुछ vocal नहीं करेंगे. This is like I'm going to give you a strict kind of a thing, a first aid kind of thing for your voice. जैसे हम जब बात करते हैं तो किसी की आवाज अंदर से आती है, ऐसे बातें करता है कोई, कोई ऐसे बातें करता है, कोई ऐसे भी बातें करता है. ये तो ये वोकल स्पॉट्स अलग अलग है किसी किसी की वॉइस. अब उतना टाइम नहीं है, उसको वॉइस कल्चरिंग करनी पड़ती है टू चेंज द वोकल स्पॉट, बट राइट अवे एज अ क्विकी ट्रिक वी कैन जस्ट करेक्ट इट अ लिटिल बिट एंड इवन साउंड बेटर. ओके, तो हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल ट्राई टू पुश आवर वॉइस इन द फ्रंट. हम लोग उसको फ्रंट और फ्रंट ऑफ द माउथ को रखेंगे, अंदर नहीं रखेंगे, अंदर से आगे लाने की कोशिश करेंगे. तो अगर आप अभी आपके पास कुछ टेक्स्ट है पढ़ने को तो वो 2 मिनट लीजिएगा. तो मैं अभी करके बताती हूँ आपको. या सी, अगर मेरी टंग, हाँ मेरी टंग में back of the mouth, like you know, I'm ignoring my tongue totally and just letting it be wherever it is, and it's more in the back and थोड़ा सा पीछे है. तो how will I read? The crust is divided into 2 types, the continental crust and the oceanic crust. ये मेरी टंग थोड़ी अंदर है. अब मैं इस मेरे टंग को बाहर, ओके, बाहर लाऊंगी. I will be trying to touch the inside of my lower teeth, but actually not touch, just be there. Okay, so it's touching and not touching, and it is resting on the floor but not resting like that. It's slightly suspended यहाँ पे ऐसे. ओके, ऐसे. तो ये ऐसे पकड़ेंगे तो वैसे काइंड ऑफ पकड़ना है उसको. ठीक है, तो उस पोजीशन से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. और जब ऑब्जर्व कीजिए मेरा मुंह बंद है एंड आई स्टार्ट रीडिंग, द क्रस्ट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 टाइप्स. नाउ मैं मुंह खुला पोजीशन से स्टार्ट करती हूँ. द क्रस्ट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 टाइप्स. There is a change in this voice. If you notice, you will yourself feel it also. यहाँ से बात कर रहे हैं. The crust is divided into 2 types, or the crust is divided into 2 types. There is a difference in this voice. Now that is what we will, because there is no long time to exercise your voices, so let us use this little trick. Okay, तो अभी आप दोनों ये करेंगे. So पहले टंग को touch your inside of the mouth, teeth को, और just touch and not touch kind of करो, and keep it like this. जैसे आपने पान खाया है, आटा पान खाया जैसा है ना, पर पान खाया नहीं है, ठोकना पकड़ना. ओके, तो वैसे है, मतलब इतना प्रोनाउंस नहीं है. just keep it a little suspended there, right? So this is the position you begin with, and keep a space in your lips, and then take your script and read.
Keeping our tongue back and then we have to read, na?
So keep your tongue over here, like अभी जैसे पान खा रहे हो वैसे, हाँ वैसे पोजीशन में रख के स्टार्ट करना है. हाँ वैसे पोजीशन में रखा है आपने और मुंह को थोड़ा खुला रखा है, and then you start reading.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I start, Yogita?
Yes.
A lesson can be learned from animals, especially those who live in the wild, who live amid the nature, rhythm of the nature, a life, a harmony with their bodies.
Okay. Thanks. Now you. हाँ ये ऐसा इस पोजीशन से स्टार्ट करेंगे. जैसे कि टंग यहाँ पकड़िए, मुंह थोड़ा खुला. क्रिएट अ स्पेस इन योर माउथ. क्रिएट अ स्पेस. ओके, तो स्पेस क्रिएट करने से क्या होता है, योर वॉइस विल रेजोनेट इनसाइड यू. सो व्हाट डिड यू से? हम ओके, व्हाट द लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. तो मेरी आवाज अंदर ही एको होती है. ओके, द लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स टुडे आर व्हाटएवर. समझ रहे हो? तो दैट इज द आइडिया, बट इट्स वेरी इनिशियल फॉर यू. मतलब इट इज नॉट इजी टू जस्ट टेक इट एंड पिक इट अप सो इजीली. तो अभी आप जितना आ रहा है उतना कीजिए.
During the age, there is less energy expenditure, mainly due to the loss of functioning cells and muscle mass.
See, what you were doing is you did that and then you kept it like this only and you kept talking. Okay, so इसको relax कीजिए and enunciate the words. Your mouth should make the sounds. So your tongue, your teeth, your lips, all this should move extra. Move a little extra. ठीक है, करके अभी वापस कीजिए योगिता. स्टार्ट वैसे करो पर रिलैक्स करो और यूज करो आपके पूरे फ्रंट ऑफ द माउथ यूज।
During the old age, there is less energy expenditure, mainly due to the loss of functioning cells and muscle mass.
Good. You could have noticed, Siley.
Yes,
है ना?
it was more clear and like depth was there. Means she was not holding it back. It was clear.
Open voice, resonating
Open
voice.
voice, yes.
Okay? Yeah, it can be more resonating as you keep working on this. It will become more and more resonating. Okay. Now, और अभी हम लोग और इसको और एक लेवल आगे ले जाएंगे. ठीक है? अब करना क्या है? वॉइस को थोड़ा और अभी क्या है, हमने कोई वोकल एक्सरसाइज नहीं की है. आई हैव नॉट टॉट यू एनी वोकल एक्सरसाइज which I can if you have a lot of time, but I'll teach you a small little thing which especially किसी का वॉइस अभी जब बात करे तब क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा खराश आ रही है, कुछ तो ऐसे कुछ हो रहा है अंदर. तो अगर उसको ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है या नहीं भी हो रहा है और अभी उसको एक रिकॉर्डिंग करनी है, तो हम एक छोटी सी क्विकी एक्सरसाइज सीखते हैं आज, जिससे इट विल गिव यू सम चेंज इन द वॉइस. ओके, करना क्या है, करना क्या है, यू दिस चिन इस लेवल को ना पकड़ते हुए इसको थोड़ा सा डाउन करेंगे हम. इट्स लाइक एज इफ यू आर लुकिंग एट योर नीज. ठीक है, अपने नीज को देख रहे हैं, ऐसे देखेंगे. हाँ, तो इट्स लाइक दैट 45 डिग्रीज समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो यू लुक डाउन एंड यू होल्ड द क्रैक. ओके, तो आपको क्रैक दोनों को करने आता है, ये करने आता है. कैन यू डू इट? हाँ, होल्ड ऑन one at a time. Okay, so let's say one of you start with me. So because I don't want you to go wrong. Okay, I'll explain why I don't want you to go wrong. One of you take it up. ठीक है, तो नीचे देखिए and you just hold that crack. Okay, but look down and do not do this. Okay. There is a reason. I'll explain the reason. You look down purposefully and feel that the voice is in the front. यहाँ नहीं जाना, पीछे नहीं जाना है, वॉइस को आगे रखना है. Hold it. Please do. Stop. Okay. So थोड़ा और क्रैक बढ़ा सकती तो बढ़ाइए, otherwise it's also fine. Now what I'm going to do just here. Okay. Now looking down and cracking it again, but don't do it. Just listen. वो जो बिल्लियां करती है ना रात को, गुर्रादा, that is what you're going to do. So cat growling. So look down and do it. Okay, just do for 30-40 seconds. एक करेंगे. Yeah.
Can I start?
Yes. Yeah, you could do little more. दर्द हो रहा है आपको?
नहीं.
फिर अच्छा, अगर आप पीछे जाएंगे, योर वॉइस वाज वन फ्यू millimeters पीछे था, थोड़ा वॉइस और फ्रंटल चाहिए मुझको. So when you go back, it is going to hurt. It is going to make you cough. If it's making you cough, means you are doing it wrong. अगर वो तकलीफ दे रहा है, इसका मतलब wrong हो रहा है. उसको और आगे बाहर चाहिए. ठीक है? So we'll see about it. Yogita.
Yes, ma'am.
You will be able to do it, or should I again explain? Look down, hold the crack, hold it, and then start growling on it. It's like ow, ow. You're doing that kind of thing. Cats के जैसे. Okay? करो. She went out.
Yogita, your video.
Yogita, you're on mute.
Yes.
नहीं, stop. It was not a crack. You start clear. तो नीचे देखिए, पहले क्रैक को पकड़ लीजिए. Now start growling. Hold it, and then start growling on it.
Okay.
करते रहिए, थोड़ा करिए. It's like do at least 30-40 seconds. इसको जरा करते रहिए.
और ज़्यादा.
हाँ, अगर हर्ट हो रहा है तो रुकिए. हर्ट नहीं हो रहा है मतलब आप करेक्ट कर रहे हो.
Yes, hurt नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Then you're doing correct. If it's not hurting, means you're doing correct. And keep it very frontal. Look down, no problem.
Okay.
नहीं. क्रैक पे स्टार्ट कीजिए. हाँ. First feel the crack. Right. Okay. Now, can you again check your voices and read the script. And let's see the listener. Where's the listener gone?
It's right here, ma'am.
Yes. So you are going to judge them now.
Okay.
Yes. Please read the same script.
Okay. Can I start? Or Yogita, you start first, then I will read.
Okay.
Okay. And also remember, yeah, okay? So don't forget that. Keep वहाँ and then keep space in your mouth, keep open position, and then start.
Siley, can you start for?
Yes. Okay.
No doing that. Don't do. ये यहाँ पे friction ना करो. If you want to cough or you want to clear your throat, better drink water. If you can't drink water, ऊपर से सब ऊपर से करना एकदम नकली, artificial. दीदी तेरा देवर दीवाना from Madhuri Dixit. Do that, okay? So do not hurt the vocal cords. Yeah, okay.
A lesson can be learned from animals,
Open
especially.
tongue वहाँ से start करो बोला था. Like this, a little space in the mouth. Keep that position. But that is your get set start. Okay, get set start. वहाँ से. और फिर then you talk, and when you're talking, you enunciate. You use your move करो अपने lips को ऐसे. Okay.
A lesson can be learned from animals, especially those who live in the wild, who live amid the nature, rhythm of the nature, a life of harmony with their bodies.
Lovely. I'm sure Preeti could have noticed the change. I think she's got frozen there.
No, I could hear you.
Yeah. Did you notice the change?
Yes, ma'am. It's way softer than what it was before.
Yes, and more clear, more powerful. Okay, let's check with Yogita now. Yes, Yogita.
During the age, there is less energy expend.
Stop. पहले get set ready हो जाओ. Okay, ready हो जाओ. Stomach, ये सब करना है आपको. Stomach breathing करना. You have to take a full breath. Your stomach should start from the outmost position. ये सब आपने जो सीखा वो फॉलो कीजिए. पानी दोनों ने कभी पिया नहीं. मैंने एक बार सिखाया पर दोनों ने पानी बिल्कुल पिया नहीं बाद में. Okay, so I drank probably thrice after that. I'm taking very small sips, but keep it moisturized. Okay, ठीक है. So stomach from outmost position. You start from there. So full breath मिल गया, and then you start on talking on it. Posture है आपका, ceiling पौना. Posture है क्या? ठीक है, ये भी check कीजिए. And now keep that get set ready position. यहाँ पे ऐसे, and then enunciate when you start.
During the old age, there is less energy expenditure, mainly due to the loss of functioning cells and muscle mass.
क्या बात है? Who felt the difference or who didn't feel the difference? महसूस हुआ changes voice में?
Yes, it was really lighter and very soft.
Very soft.
Yeah.
Yes. So that is there is more. There is lots more. अच्छा मैं एक बात बता रही थी आपको आपने नोटिस किया रहेगा कि I'm saying put it in the front. Okay, voice front में होना चाहिए. Front में होना चाहिए. क्यों चाहिए? यहाँ से बात करेंगे ये voice खराब करता है. यहाँ से बात करेंगे तो voice अच्छी रहती है. Okay, this is your natural voice. तो अब I'll just explain something silly सा example देती हूँ. This is supposing a tree trunk. Okay, ये अगर tree का trunk है और ये branch है. This is my hand. This is the branch. तो ये जो spot है यहाँ पे, this spot is ये spot है यहाँ, the root, the glottal spot. तो हम यहाँ से बात नहीं करेंगे. We'll talk from the front, always from the front. So it's flexy. Okay, and it's nice and movable. So this is simple kind of for understanding. Okay, तो इतना भी समझ लिया आप लोगों ने. तो इसलिए कभी भी आपका voice जब अंदर जाता है, बात करते वक्त खांसी आती है, it means that you touch the glottal spot. When it's hurting, it's paining, or you're coughing, you're going at the root of the voice. Do not do that. Even while singing, keep it a little front foot. So batting front foot से करो, कभी back foot से ना करो. Okay, so that is what it is all about. It's a quickie thing, so you get the benefits immediately, right? Yeah. Yes. Preeti.
Really, the exercise helped us, and also means voice will get better after practicing all these things.
Yes. So this is the simplest form of preparation that we can do. There is lot many, but quick result के लिए अभी आपको कुछ, there is nothing else to be done. I have to make this video. I have to be ready last minute. Let's do this at least. So take a
Yes.
full breath from the stomach, and then go this way. Okay? Yes.
Yes.
And right. Any
And also,
questions or anything else?
yes,
Yeah.
when we are means many a times when we do it in a packed room, we feel echo when we see the video.
Yes.
So what we can do to solve that problem?
Right. That's a good question. See, what happens is as your voice, as you talk, okay? So your voice is traveling. Now it gets inside the mic, but it also travels in the air this way, and it reflects and rebounds on the flat surfaces that are there in the room, and it again gets back into the mic. So there's an echo. Okay. So Abhi, what has spread out, we want it to get absorbed over there only. So it doesn't return back to create the echo. So what you have to do is put a lot of fabric, cushions, all absorb, like anything that absorbs sound. Put such material around you. ओके तो ऑब्वियसली आपके जो व्यू में पसारा मत रखो, पर बाकी सब जगह पसारा रखो, उस पर ऊपर चादर डाल दो, पिलोज डाल दो, जो भी डाल दो, तो आपका वो वॉइस सक इन कर लेगा जो एक्सेस लाइक यू नो द आउट ऑफ द स्प्रेड ऑफ द माइक डायफ्राम, तो उसके बाहर जो जाता है वॉइस वो वहीं पे अब्सॉर्ब होके deaden हो जाएगा and it won't return back to your mic. So that's a simple thing that you do not need to really do too much things. If you are able to do some investments and do some acoustic treatment in your house, you get Auralex. From Auralex you can buy panels, acoustic panels, put them up, or those pyramid panels, you know, you get those pointed, if you've seen egg-shaped kind of thing, foam. Have you seen that? Yeah. So that kind of stuff you get online, buy them and stick it up on the walls, so they absorb voice. So something like that, a little more if you want to spend on it, then you can do that as well. Yes.
Ma'am, I had one more question, that sometimes it happens that there are no mics available, or if we don't have any mic thing with us. So when we are setting up the camera at certain point of level, so then sometimes it happens that in the camera the voice is being a bit lower as we speak, or sometimes it happens also that we have to shout and not shout actually, but make our voice a bit louder and speak, because we are in that mindset that the voice will get lower in the camera or the video.
Right.
So
So
what
you
can
need
we
to work on your volume. Okay. So
Okay.
volume, किसी किसी का वॉल्यूम छोटा रहता है, तो उसको ट्यून अप करने का, कम करने का, सो यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट. तो अभी के लिए मैं सिंपल सा अगर आपको ट्रिक सिखाऊं तो ऐसे सिखा सकती हूँ कि नाउ यू जस्ट, आपके फीट, दोनों फीट जमीन पे है, तो जस्ट प्रेस देम हार्ड ओवर देयर ऑन द ग्राउंड, give them a thrust, tighten your calf muscles, tighten your knees, tighten your thighs, tighten your pelvic area, tighten your buttocks, tighten that entire portion and give it a thrust. Okay, up, but upper body, keep it relaxed and take a full breath and then give that flow to your voice. So it will give you
Okay.
hello people, you can give that full volume. Okay,
Okay.
so waha se, it's that the cannon which will put the gun, thrust the gun ball outside. So waha se, from your low pelvic, from below down your body, the lower body is giving that tightness and giving that thrust to the voice, and then take a full breath and give projection. So practice this when you are at home, and this will not come suddenly. It will not come
Yes,
suddenly.
yes.
Okay, now for practicing volume, it's a very nice trick. You keep your hand closed and you talk to this. Okay, इतना volume ठीक है? Is this volume good? Is this volume good? Is this volume louder? Louder? Am I still audible? Can I be heard last row? Can I be heard there, back, last row? And can you hear me last at the end? Your voice, practice this at home.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, and how I'm giving a thrust from my lower body.
Yes, yes.
तो ये practice आप करते रहेंगे, घर में करेगा, तो that you get ready for it. It doesn't happen in one day. It will happen as you keep working on it.
Okay.
Also another question that for audio consultation when we do on phone, so how the voice modulation should be? Is there any other form?
Consultation.
Yes, means when we are talking on phone to any client or doing some consultation.
Yeah. See, so on the phone is like, you do not get overexcited first of all. When you get excited, you sound like this, up in the air. हाँ sir, you can do this, you can do that. Okay, this kind of voice. तो ये head voice है. तो ये excitement is generally this. ये भी down in disinterested. Yes, sir, we have this. No, sir, we don't have that. Yeah, we can do. Don't even talk this. So again, same thing. Jo abhi bola, talk from here, front of the mouth, and talk. Yes, sir. How can I help you? Do what I just. That's why I told you what trick. That is one little thing that will again help you over there as well. So you can talk from front of the mouth. It sounds more like projected, and it's more clear, more audible, and that should be nice. And modulations will come in you when you really start playing with your own voice. One is the quality of your voice, and one is the playfulness of your voice. So the playfulness will come when you start doing stupid madnesses with your voice. When you start becoming a little crazy, stupid, silly, do any stupid nonsenses. Hey, ये क्या बोल रही है? नहीं, do all sorts of stupid gimmicks. Okay, do gimmicks with your voice. So I in my coaching I teach Navras. Okay, तो नवरस में हम लोग एक एक हर इमोशन के साथ खेलते हैं. वही लाइन को आई लव यू को रोके भी बोलते हैं, आई लव यू को हम हंसते हुए भी बोलते हैं, आई लव यू को हम लोग गुस्से से भी बोलते हैं. So like that we do a lot of it. So we play with our voices, and then it starts getting into your and start to demand what you want to do when you want to do. So I treat my voice box like a soldier and the brain as a commander. So get your soldier fit and fine and ready. Do vocal exercises, keep it fit, and your commander has to get the things done. So your commander की coaching किस बात में होंगी? To show up, okay, to do all sorts of nonsense, like get the things. Be the creative. The creatives will come from there. चलो भाई ऐसे कर, चलो भाई खड़े रहो, चलो बैठ जाओ, चलो ये करो, चलो वो करो. So that the commander will send the signals to the soldier, and it will get done. Okay. Yes.
Heidi, thank you for that question. Actually, it was very nice question because we are doing for matlab Kylie and Yogita both are dietitians and they do a lot of telephonic consultations. So I'm sure this is going to help them in long run and to other our experts also. So thank you for that.
Yes.
Yes, Yogita.
I had one question. If we are using mic when we are taking a video, so what should be the distance or at what level we should keep the mic in that
Very good
case?
question. Very, very good question. See, like this earphones and all, like these small plug phones, I'll talk about a proper mic, So the mic, you don't keep it at least 6 inches away from you, from the mouth, like this, 6 inches away to 5. If you want to speak very softly, you want to get into a little, more cozy or emotional, then you go a little inside and you talk like this. Okay, you get inside it. But if you want to shout, hello people, you go behind. You do not shout into the mic. So it's like treat the mic like somebody's ear. You'll never shout in somebody's ear, so go back. Or if you want to if you want to whisper, you'll go close. You go whisper. So when you're going cozy inside, you want to like whisper. It's not advisable, but you want to say a little hushed kind of thing. So you go a little inside. You go behind when you increase the volume. Okay, and you do not talk directly onto the axis of the mic because p, b, t, all these sounds are blasting noises. They're called plosives. They will hit on the axis of the mic and it will give this kind of noises, okay, which is not nice. So what you do is just give a little angle, so your mic will be positioned in this, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा, ना कि एकदम front of the mouth हो. समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोलना चाहती हूँ? It's not directly, your voice doesn't fall on the center point of the mic, but falls a little away. So the blast will be not, will get
on the mic. And ma'am, in the case if we are using the small microphones, like when we are like in our office when we are shooting a video, and also we have the small mic which we attach.
Lapel mic, the lapel mic.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's good. Lapel mic doesn't bother. You keep it here, like I have put, it doesn't blast, and some are here like this. So if it is here and if you feel the air is puffing on it, then when I told you to be a good listener, it's a very important thing that you listen to yourself also when you're talking. Okay, so listening is three things. Listening, it's like listening as in nothing, space. Sit down and listen. So we isolate the different sounds. There's a bird chirping there. There's a train going there. There's a fan plane. So ye aapko become a listener. Start isolating these noises and start being a listener. And second listening is to listen to the person who's talking to you. So that, and the third thing very important is listen to yourself. Very, very important. If you want to be a better speaker, these three levels of listening is very important. तो आप जब बात करते हो तो आपको you feel that, no? You immediately adjust it.
Yes.
So when you are talking, you also listen to yourself.
Okay.
Like when singers go on stage and they sing and they're not getting a feed of their own voice, their song goes bad. If you don't hear yourself, if you hear yourself, you have more command and more control on it. जब खुद को सुनाई नहीं देता ना हम क्या कर रहे हैं, तो आपको पता नहीं चलता ये कहाँ भाग रहा है. So the same is true with speech. Singing and speech is absolutely same.
Yes.
Absolutely same. Yes.
Yes. Many a times when we are speaking, many people are speaking in the same tone. There is
Monotone.
no up and down as per
Monotone.
the sentence or as per the emotion
Yes.
talking. So can you suggest anything about that? So how should be the pace of that?
Okay, so actually it's a lot of work that you need to do to make yourself. What you do is just feel happy. I'll give you a simple trick now because see, lot of things will have to be taught. So I will make you simple thing कि आप जो अभी पढ़ रहे थे उसी को आपको monotone में नहीं बोलना है. तो like you know what you do is you climb upstairs and you get downstairs. ठीक है ना? तो take a sentence. Okay. Welcome dear students. ये sentence है. अगर मैं welcome dear students ये ऐसे flat बोल रही हूँ. If I say welcome dear students, do you see the difference? Welcome dear students. समझ लो. Welcome dear students flat. Welcome dear students rising. Welcome dear students sad going down. ओके तो आप इतनी सी मेलोडी भी ध्यान रखो, चढ़ने वाला वॉइस और उतरने वाला वॉइस और फ्लैट वॉइस. ठीक है, तो ये फ्लैट वॉइस, फ्लैट इन द सेंस स्ट्रेट वॉइस. ओके, because there is a lot, like I told you, I teach Navras and we go into lot of madnesses of that. तो हर इमोशन के, तो फिर वो आपको फिर it automatically comes into you. But right away as a takeaway I'll tell you this. तो आप जब आपका सेंटेंस बोल रहे हो, when you want to go, you know, you go up the stairs, you come down the stairs, you go flat a little, go up, go down. When you do this, you will sound nice. Okay, you can try with your own sentence right now. That sentence that you read. Once again, you can try with the little melody. Go up a little, go down a little. So, can you practice this? Welcome dear students, बोलिए. मेरे साथ बोलिए.
Different sentence that we use
Yeah,
daily in our.
Take any one sentence. Tell me.
So, welcome to Just for Hearts, your wellness partner.
Okay.
It is like that. Means when we start the video.
Welcome to Just for Hearts, your wellness partner. ठीक है.
Yes.
अब आप इसको ascending melody में बोलिए. Welcome to Just for Hearts, your wellness partner. Going up, 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 up. Okay. Welcome to Just for Hearts, your wellness partner. Flat. Welcome to Just for Hearts, your wellness partner. Going down. Sad. Sadness आती है. Yeah, morose, you know. But this is how it will sound more happier. And keep that little smile on your face. It will also add its charm and melody in the voice. So welcome to Just for Hearts, your wellness partner. You smile a little more and it goes up, 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 up. You feel this and use your hands. When you use your hand, your voice will also touch dancing with it.
Yes, right.
Use the hand. In all my vocal exercises, I use these two hands. Baisakhi. This is the Baisakhi. To keep our voice in the front, to make it play. Okay? आप जितने एक्शंस करोगे, जितने फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस दोगे, जेस्चर्स करोगे, उतना आपका वॉइस खिलेगा. जितने आप टाइट बॉडी बात करोगे, उतना वॉइस भी टाइट लगेगा. सो रिलैक्स, चिल आउट एंड लेट एवरीथिंग मूव. तो मैं बहुत हिलती हूँ, मैं बात करती हूँ, मैं बहुत ज्यादा हिलती हूँ. तो
I remembered from your saying that Vidya Balan saying good morning Mumbai in Munna Bhai MBBS.
Yes.
Yes, it is same like that.
Yes, it is on a lower, then on a higher, and then again down.
Yes. So
understand this. Now you start listening to this. Okay, ये voice climb हो रही है, उतर रही. इसको देखो, there is lots more, but at least start to pick up this. Okay, ये voice अभी चढ़ रही है, अच्छा उतर रही है, चढ़ रही है, उतर रही है. There is a lot of knowledge. देखो ना, हम लोग जो सीखते, pitching सीखते हैं, जो chest voice, middle voice, head voice, ये सब है. It's when you really understand pitch is when you really master your voice.
Yes.
तो जब आपको pitching पे control आता है, then you master your voice.
Okay. There is a
All
lot.
right. Oh, I can just go on forever, I think. I can just go on and on and on.
Yes,
Yes,
but
there is
actually
lot
this
more to take also, and lot more to learn also from all these things.
yes,
Lots to learn.
and I guess this discussion will never end if we keep on talking
No worries.
on voice, if we say.
Yes.
So there are,
Yes, I think,
Yes, Preeti.
I'm very happy to see how the complete interaction went because they being the volunteers, but they still had so many questions and so
Good.
many
And
doubts.
I'm happy it is more facilitating for everybody then. If you have
Yes,
questions, your one problem makes others also helps them out as well.
yes,
Those maybe they won't think of that problem right now. Right. Yes.
Saidi and Yogita, thanks a lot for your participation and your questions. But I also have questions which I would like to ask ma'am, and then probably we can end it. So,
thank you so much,
yeah,
ma'am.
yeah, come
thank
at the
you,
end
Thank
of
thank
you.
you
it.
so much.
Thank you, Styli, and thank you,
Ma'am.
Yogita, for giving
Thank
me this.
you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much,
Bye.
girls.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yes.
So, ma'am, I wanted to ask you, what is your voice training routine? If you can share that with us.
I do few exercises which the day I don't have a class, I don't
Okay.
do the day I don't have a class, I do something. Okay. The bestest exercise if you can do is just gala phad gao. अगर कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो गला फाड़ गाओ. So open your
Okay.
voice and sing. Okay. If nothing else is possible, at least sing that day. So I
Okay.
have a bunch of exercises, around a list of them. So all the voice artists who are with me, I make them do that. So I tell them there are minimum exercises. If you can't do all of them, at least do a bunch of them. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, so that's like I do some dog panting. Then there's a crystal ball witchcraft. So all my names are very fantastic. Sid Ravan and all. Okay, so all names are very fantastic. So I did before this also. I did one Ravan exercise and I just sat for the class so that my voice is nice and open. Okay.
Okay, okay, that's great. I think we would like to hear it more from you. Uh, like the names are very interesting, and
The
as
names
I
are very
could see,
interesting.
Yogita and Saili were enjoying doing the exercise. I also tried doing it, and I hope I have also changed
Yes,
it.
you already have a very nice voice.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
yes,
Thank you
yes,
so
you
much.
really have nice voice. Yes,
Thank you, thank you. Very glad to hear from the experts. Thank you so much.
you have a naturally middle voice. So you're sounding, your general projection is in the front of the mouth and it's nice in the natural level. So you sound more clear and more nice. And you add that smile when you're talking. So that also gives you the character of the voice totally changes. When you add a smile, the character changes of that voice. So yes, you have a nice voice.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am. So maybe that's a very great tip we can give to people. Like when they are in front of the camera, they should smile and give some expression.
Too well.
Okay. So, ma'am,
Yes.
there's one question from Facebook Live. People are asking, like, since talking takes a lot of energy from you, so how to maintain that energy throughout your presentation? So, one exercise that you told us, like the breathing exercise, or maintaining the posture. So, is that all, or is there anything else?
See, we are made to talk the entire day. You can sing the entire day. You should not get tired. If
Mhm.
if you're talking in your middle voice, in your in your natural voice, you will not get strained and hurt. You can talk 24 घंटे बात कर सकते हैं. If I'm
Correct.
going to talk like this the whole day, if I start to talk, okay, Preeti, let us do this now, this, then my voice is going to get tired. Or I do, let us talk like this now. So, मेरा vocal spot अगर कहीं wrongly placed है, okay,
Mhm.
then there is a load. There is a I'm load. It's like मैं इसको अभी और एक stupid और silly कर देती हूँ. You want to talk? Don't use your vocal cords.
Okay. How is that
don't
possible?
don't use your vocal cords. आप यहाँ से इस पे लोड ना लाइए. इस पे लोड नहीं लाएंगे तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होने नहीं वाला. Just keep your voice little in the front. Don't keep weight over here. आप कोशिश करिए आपका यहाँ पे वेट लाके देखिए और बात कीजिए. You will get tired. Tightness in the
Right.
vocal cords. If you're going to hold them, if you're going to contract them, it's going to get tired.
Mhm.
Relax them, leave them loose. Let your voice go in the front. And उस पे लोड फील ही मत करो ना. आपके टंग को, माउथ को यूज कीजिए.
Correct.
Talk a little from the front of the mouth, and here nothing will happen.
Okay.
You can talk 24 hours. You can talk 24 hours. Okay, it doesn't come easily. To find this middle voice is not very easy to find. It takes time to find.
Mhm.
But वो जब आ जाता है तब आपको आपकी वॉइस का रियल चार्म पता चलता है. You really
Correct.
find charm of your own voice.
Yes, that's true. ओके सो मैम एज वी से लाइक जैसे वीडियो शूटिंग में डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टोन होते हैं, कलर टोन होते हैं, लाइक हेल्थ केयर के लिए अलग टोन है, या जैसे नवरस के बारे में आपने बोला कि अलग अलग टोन हम रिलेट करते हैं, तो लाइक वी आर हेल्थ केयर एक्सपर्ट्स, जस्ट फॉर हार्ट्स में बहुत सारे वेलनेस एक्सपर्ट्स हैं जो हम ऑडियंस के साथ बात करते हैं, तो ये टोन हमको कैसे लाइक हमारा कोई अपना टोन होना चाहिए या फिर देर इज समथिंग वेरी स्पेसिफिक that our experts should follow? What?
आपके वॉइस में एम्पैथी, कंपैशन, ओके, बिलीवेबिलिटी, ये सब आना चाहिए. Because people are going to come to you with a problem and they need to be so it's a problem, right? When it's a healthcare, it is some problem or some relief, or they are already this, so your voice should warm them up.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, so आपको वॉइस में वो कंपैशन और वो वार्म, welcome to Just for Hearts, how may we help you? It's like, you're welcoming, you're warmly welcoming somebody, that kind of a voice. And then that suits your personality. That should be the brand voice, I can say, of your people who speak. They can also, hello, welcome to Just for Hearts. Okay, we are going to do this. No, it will not. But it has to be that warm, welcoming voice. Welcome to Just for Hearts. Kind of a pleasant. Somebody feels like in a warm space. You've come into a warm space. That kind of a voice.
Wow. Amazing, amazing. I can see the changes that you do. It's really brilliant. It's very nice.
It will happen if you start playing with your voice. It will happen with you also. It happens with anybody. When you start to listen to your own voice and you start playing with your voice, it will happen with anybody and everybody.
Great, great, ma'am. So just one last question and we will end the session. So as we are doing home videos, there's a lot of disturbances or there's a lot of echo that comes. So how you make your room soundproof when you are doing videos at home?
I actually she asked the question. We have answered this, but that's okay. I'll repeat it. So
Yes.
what I told her is you used a lot of fabric or something, some material that will absorb your voice. That is what I told her before also. But
Yes, yes.
I'll add to that is close the doors, windows, the outside disturbances. Okay.
Right.
Pull the curtains if you have curtains.
Mm-hmm.
Thick curtains if you can. Can you carpet the floor? If you can carpet the floor with some fabric, not the other material. Okay. Then what else can you have? If you have cushions, you can buy the Oralex panels. Okay, you get panels, acoustic panels. You get online. So they are so spokey kind of foams, egg-shaped foams that you get. You can check out on this thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Acoustic panels you get online. You can buy some and paste them up at certain spots on the wall, just a few here and there, so they will absorb. Now, this thing that I have, this thing is thing that absorbs sound. Okay, it's made of rock wool. It's nothing. It's a frame filled with rock wool and covered with a fabric. So the voice if like the voice that is traveling, get absorbed in it, so it doesn't return back into the mic and echo. So you want material that will absorb voice, deaden the voice. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Sorry, there's some network problem. Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, yes, ma'am. So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us today. And I'm sure we have, like our audience has learned many things from you.
I hope so.
Yes, yes. And we would like to learn more things from you in future.
Most welcome.
And audience, there was some technical issue in the beginning, so we couldn't start at 11. But thank you so much for staying in and being there for us for today's session. And please do go to Facebook page and Just for Hearts YouTube channel to watch previous videos, and please do subscribe. So we will be coming back with in next week with our new video in Words of Wisdom series, and we are also coming up with some advanced courses in which I would like to invite ma'am also for that. And
Sure,
Yes,
sir. Yes.
yes. So thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
ma'am. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Thank you all.